Hello, and welcome to our podcast, where we explore the latest tools and tips in the world of artificial intelligence. I'm your host, and today we're tackling a common challenge. How do you know which AI tool is best for generating images or videos when there are so many options out there? Do you really need to go through 10 different websites, buy accounts, or test them one by one? Well, what if I told you there's a free website that lets you compare the outputs of various AI tools simultaneously, all with just one prompt? That's right, today we're diving into Modelscope.ai. Modelscope.ai is a fantastic platform that allows you to see side-by-side outputs from many AI tools, whether it's Google, ChatGPT, Seedream, Fluix, Kling, Runway, or many other models. You don't have to individually open each site, potentially dealing with filters or long queues. The site provides you with 2,000 free credits just by signing up with any email, letting you quickly decide which tool is right for you in seconds. So, how does it work? You simply enter a prompt, select the AI models you want to compare, and run the comparison. For instance, if you're looking for the best text-to-image output, Modelscope.ai supports a wide range of models like Fluix Chanel, Imagen for Fastset Google, HiDream, GPT Image 1, Stable Diffusion, Seedream, Fluix Pro, Gem for Image, Ideogram, and Grok. You can easily select your preferred models like Seedream, Fluix Pro, and ChatGPT and see which one gives you the best result for your prompt. For example, the sources indicate that for realistic images, Seedream might provide a better output compared to ChatGPT. But it's not just for images. Modelscope.ai is also incredibly useful for text-to-video generation. You can compare outputs from models like Tendance, Licked Kling 1.6, Minimax Hilo, Kling Master D, Pika, Pixverse, Luma 1.1, and Vuity. In a recent test, for instance, Minimax Hilo produced a realistic and cinematic video output, while Wanda Video had issues like static tears and an unnatural 3D-like face, and Kling, while sharp, rendered unnatural skin. This side-by-side comparison, taking just a few minutes, helps you quickly decide which model to use for your video projects. The main benefit here is significant time and cost savings. Instead of spending hours testing individual tools or waiting in queues, you can make an informed decision in minutes. This is particularly useful for AI professionals or anyone who frequently works with AI-generated content. The platform also keeps track of your past generations in a history section, allowing you to review previously created images and videos. What's even better is that Modelscope.ai is constantly adding new models. This means you can always test and discover emerging AI tools like Recraft Voice, Grok 2 Image, or Ideogram Voice and see what kind of outputs they produce. Ultimately, using Modelscope.ai allows you to make better and more confident decisions about which AI tool to use for a specific task. It can even lead you to switch to a different AI that provides superior results, significantly enhancing the quality and level of your creative work. So if you're looking to optimize your AI workflow and always get the best possible output, Modelscope.ai is a highly practical tool that you should definitely try out. It's especially excellent for testing text-to-image capabilities. That's all for today's episode. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll catch you next time.